In this Animal Performance Plus training video, we are going to be talking about group lists and the actions you can take on the group list page. Selecting groups will show you the groups that you have created, and you can see some high-level information about those groups, such as the number of animals in the group, the average weight of the group, the average daily gain, and the overall daily gain of the group. Selecting the group will bring up the action icon, which will allow you to remove the group, edit the name of that group, add the animals, all of the animals in that group to a mob, add all of the animals in that group to a draft list or sort list, or add more animals to that group. If there is a compliance scheme active in your region, there will be an active compliance button here as well, which will allow you to bring up NATE in New Zealand or NLIS in Australia. Selecting the group will bring up a list of all of the individual animals in that group, as well as some high-level data about this group. You'll get an overall ADG for the group, a total weight of the group, an average weight of the group, and a min and a max weight for the group, as well as the number of animals in that group too. For each individual animal, you'll be able to see their ID, their current live weight, their average daily gain, and overall daily gain. I can sort these lists from highest to lowest so that I can select the lightest or heaviest animals or the animals with the best or worst gain. By selecting an individual animal, I can bring up its individual animal details, which will show me its performance over time, its current live weight, if I've recorded a number of live weights, any treatments it's been given, its life data, its history, any notes that have been recorded against that animal, and the mobs and groups that animal is currently in. By selecting one or more animals, I can also take an action. If I click on the action icon, then I can remove these animals from the group, I can move these animals to another group, I can add these animals to a mob or a herd, I can add the animals to a draft or sort list, or again, depending on whether there's a compliance scheme active in your region, I can take a compliance action with these animals. At the top of the screen, you'll also see some tabs, which are graphs and compare.